Okay. Tonight we're making pizza with pizza box crust. Store-bought crust.
Yeah. Yeah, you eat that cheese.
Dang, boy. Okay.
How about I give you...
Stop throwing stuff. Yeah, you can
I guess we could make like our own crust. Or you could just make little squares, little squares. You wanna put it in half? Yeah, it's small. Here you go. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think it's because it's supposed to like spread out.
probably.
So it's just.
You have a bigger pan?
I sure do not.
Or I could just double it up. Put this one on that one.
Oh, I forgot we have two.
You could
So you
just
wanna
make actual crust.
So just fold this one and make a crust.
Yep.
Okay. Well,
This one's already.
it's like the croissant roll
You
thing.
want a croissant?
I don't know what.
Ready, bro?
This looks so ugly and so ghetto. There it goes. Here pop goes the weasel. Hang over. Well, these are both non-stick pans. Oh my gosh, whatever. The crust is just. Oh yeah, that fits well in there.
I mean, you could probably stretch it out a lot. If
So
they're
you can have
thicker.
thicker crust.
Okay. You make that one, I'll make this.
Me and Amy can make this one. Okay, buddy. I have no idea what we're doing. Oh, do I?
Did you want to do a barbecue one? Yeah.
I mean, I could do like half of this, half barbecue on this one.
We're going to make chicken baked pizzas. Like the chicken and the bacon. Chicken bacon pizzas.
Hold on, Avian. Let me get this sorted out first, and then so just put it all over this one.
Do it however you want to do it.
Okay, we're just gonna do half, and then we'll do.
Wait, do you have barbecue sauce?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I have honey barbecue sauce.
That's fine. We'll do half barbecue and half ranch.
Just gonna mix it. Hold on, you can do the toppings, okay? No, that's not half.
Wow.
Hold on, Avian. I'm gonna just use the same speed. Yep.
A hint of
BBQ.
barbecue and ranch.
It's okay, we're the only ones eating it anyways.
Exactly.
And it will taste good either way.
Either way, I'm still eating it.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm making mine tight.
Barbecues.
Okie dokie. Put some bacon.
But we put the cheese on the top, right? Or does it go on the bottom? I forget.
I'm putting it on top, but you can put the cheese on the bottom.
Let's make it like
I want it to stay on top of it, so all this stuff will be stuck to the pizza.
oh yeah, never mind. We'll do it that way. Hold on, Amy, I'm almost done with our pizza. Hold on, hold on. Okay, you ready?
On both of them. Put your greens in, folks.
Get ready here.
They'll melt. So.
And put on the pizza. Put on the pizza like this. Look. Here. This is how to clean the table. So. Good job. Do it on this side. I'll do the bacon. Lots of some more. Can you do it on the barbecue side? The whole side's gonna have chicken over there. Yep. I don't know why you're throwing it like. No! Okay, you're done. You are done.
Go watch Ratatouille.
No little. Wait, you want some lettuce, spinach?
Yummy, leave.
Oh wait, I want the onions.
Oh, I forgot about the onions. Oops. Oh, excuse you.
Shade.
Yummy.
It's so weird. Why do you like vegetables? I mean, that's probably not gonna taste very good
Eat
by
your
itself. But
veggies. Veggie day.
yum yum. Eat 'em up. Yum yum. Eat 'em up.
Yum, 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 yum. Yummy.
Ugh, and this sauteed is gonna taste so good.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You know, I have to eat the spinach, but you want to be my guest.
I'm gonna show you.
Can I use the rest of the bacon?
Yep, go for it. Cheese. Pizza. Yes. Now we've got to start the oven.
I forgot.
Start the oven. Yum, yum. Eat them up. For 25. So how much is that one today?
I have no idea.
Okay. 425.
Babe, we gotta take before and after pictures.
You tired?
No, for real. Are you gonna go to bed? Not at 4 o'clock again today?
Dumbass.
Like, broski, you went to bed a little
You
too.
started this thing?
Yeah. You don't have to preheat this type of oven.
Hurry up.
Just heats up to its temp.
I need more cheese on
I don't know. I was just looking at yours and like yours looks like there's a lot, so I'm gonna just keep adding cheese. Alright, let's take a picture.
Still video. I'm gonna take a picture.
Same thing, just different thing and different crust. It says, okay, wait, hold on.